Hi guys, it's Dakota here with Planner Mom, the 5 boys, and today we're going to be setting up my planner for the week of the 16th through the 22nd using a dashboard layout kit from Nash Printworks, and her information will be linked in the description below, so if you guys want to check it out and get your own dashboard layout kit, feel free to do so. So you guys, I picked out this St. Patrick's Day kit. I thought it would be awesome, St. Patrick's Day. So I'm still going to show you guys the kit first. So you have some day covers, some dots, you have this full box here. You have this little box that covers up like the dinner plans. You have this box which goes down here and some day covers. Got some washi strips, some headers, some checklists, some bill due, trackers, and a little box that I put my appointments, and then some deco. So let's get started. I did have some washi out. I don't know if I'll use them, but I just wanted to lay them out just in case. Here I have this a pair of scissors, and I have this book from Keepsakes by Ashley. Yeah, and it is clear. So if I don't end up using a sticker, I can just peel it off and peel it back on, and I can save it. So I like having this out whenever I'm planning, just in case I get a sticker that I want to use and then I decide not to use it. So let's get started. Now first off, I am going to grab a couple more stickers from my big old binder of stickers. Frustrated. I need to figure out a better way of organizing. Oh, there they are. Maybe if I can just... So I did get these from LC Stickers. I will put a link to their shop below. She had a sale, buy one get one, so I got 2 of them. My husband is a supervisor, but he's now on a swing shift, so it's kind of hard for me to keep up what days he works. So looking at my monthly, I know he works the 16th, the 17th, and the weekend. So let's get started. I'm going to take this box and peel it off. Now her stickers aren't, let's get this over to the side. Her stickers aren't restickable by no means, but if you gently just press down, you can pull them back up. You just gotta be careful with it. Okay. Like I said, I'm gonna put that box there. Let's see. Get this back in here. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to do that here, there. I know this one's gonna go here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Guys, and I don't know about you, but I love the dashboard layout, but I was pretty sad that I can never find cute kits that are especially made for the dashboard. I usually have to cut the stickers, but I usually end up making it work. But I love this because it doesn't take no time at all, and you have a really cute layout. So let's bring this page back. Let's see. Okay. So I think I am gonna put that there, and then go for it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm constantly moving paper around just to get the better angles on things. Oh gosh, I hope you guys be able to see that. So I'm constantly moving the paper around to get the better angle. Okay. Alright, see how great that's looking already, you guys? Like, super stoked. Okay, next I'm gonna put my day covers on. Again, I always turn my paper sideways. I almost put Tuesday on Monday, but it just helps me get a better angle on things. I'm a little OCD, just a little though. So I want my stickers to be straight, and I can never get them straight. So again, I'm just taking them off there. So if you guys haven't if you guys aren't on my Instagram, I'll put a picture up now. My Instagram is Planner Mom to 5 Boys. And I just won a giveaway. And I'm super stoked about it. It's for 4 different shops or 5 different shops. And it's like $20 credit each shop. And it's shops that I've never tried before or really followed. So I'm just really excited about that. So I'll have another big planner haul coming soon. These shops are overseas because I'm in the United States, so it may take a couple weeks. So, but just hang in there and I'll have another haul. I know you guys are really loving my hauls. My husband not so much because he's paying for them. Alright, see you guys. So, look how pretty that looks. And we haven't really even done much of anything. So, I'm going to go back over to this page. Now, I'm trying to think of how I want to get this set up. Is this a pay week? No, this is not a pay week. So I won't be going to the store, but I can do to do and to clean and important. Okay. Alrighty. So I'm gonna do the to-do up here, and I usually cover up the dots, but I think I might just keep it since it's got a green tone anyways, so I think it kind of like blends in. Usually if I'm doing like a bright pink layout or something, I usually have to cover it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, so you can either do these checklists, or I really like doing the dots because I think it stands out. I may do the checklist here and here and do the, well, I don't want to do the dots here because I may just write like a big quote or a big thing to do there. So I think I'm going to do the dots here and the checklist here. So let's do that. Wow, that's good as it's gonna get. Okay guys, so this page is pretty much almost done. Now, I think I'm gonna put my trackers in this big box down here because it comes with the 3 trackers. So I'm just gonna line those up like so. Ta-da! How cute is that? Alright, let's move back on with here. So like I said, Monday is the 16th. So I'll get the 16th. And I kind of like going over to the edge so that it covers up any days. Well, no. I realized when I was editing this, it took me a very long time to put the dates on the date covers. So I'm going to fast forward through this part. So my dates are on there. Now this page, I do keep it because of these. You never know when you need dates. Alrighty, so this page, let's see. I know for sure the boys will have basketball practice Monday, Wednesday, Monday and Wednesday. I know I'm going to have to start packing. I want to pack while they're at school, so I'm going to put this, well, let's do it on Thursday so that I make sure I have plenty of times. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to use 2 boxes down here. The boys have basketball games, which I'm lucked out, and this Saturday, the 21st, is their last set of basketball games, so they won't have to miss any when we go on spring break. Because that does not look straight to me. I have totally messed that up. How did I mess that up? Ah. Sorry guys. Now I will put like, Happy Planner has a sports book, sticker book that I will get out and use the basketball sheet from. which I just had it out and now I can't find it. So anyways, I will put like basketball games and put Isaiah Malachite in the times. Let's see, that is it. Let's go ahead and do the days that Andy works so I can get this down. I kind of wish now that I would have got this in other foil colors, but I usually don't use foil. Sorry guys, I did have to stop it for a minute. The boys just came in from outside and they were all running and yelling and doing all the things. So we're just gonna put the Andy works stickers down. Let's see, he works Monday, Tuesday. So Monday, angle it up here. Tuesday. Yeah, I think I'm just getting lit up here. Guys, he works 12-hour shifts, but time he gets there and time he comes home, it's more like 14 hours. So I cannot plan anything the days he works. Friday. Like, this is his long week. And then the week we're gone, he only works 2 days. So he's going to have the whole house to himself, which I'm sure he is looking forward to it. Okay. So we got Andy work stickers down. Yes. Okay. As far as anything else, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the washi. I think, not sure how I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do the light on top or light, dark, light, dark. Okay. Now I've been doing like my YouTube and stuff posts on this one, just to keep track of everything, because I go in a habit like I'll post a bunch one day and not enough the next day. I think I might take this up as well. See, look at me guys, I'm taking up all my boxes, and I'm going to use this last washi strip, but I'm not going to go all the way across with it since that box is there and it's so stinking cute. So and then I'll just take my handy dandy stickers, my handy dandy scissors, and I'll just cut that off. And I'll just stick this on there so I can use it next time if I need to. Like I said, basketball practice here, so I have to have a box here. Now I'm sure guys, this is like basic layout. Like I know there's not a whole lot going on. We can add some deco pieces. But I like this because it's minimalist, and it gives me a lot of room to write, so I still have a bunch. And then during the week, if you guys look at my posts after I post it, I'll probably add more boxes. There'll be more stickers, a lot of things, because I like to fill it in kind of as I go. So I'll keep this kit, because look, I still have tons of stuff. I'll keep it in the front of my sticker binder, and that way during the week, if I have another appointment to go to, I'll grab this box, or I can grab a checklist. But I think that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you have not already, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow me over on Instagram. Bye guys.